Hi. Hi, Patches. Hi, buddy. How's my dude? Hi. Hi. Hi, Mr. Mark. Marky Mark, come here. Hey, buddy. Patches, would you like the toy? Hi, handsome person. Who's this handsome man right here? That would be you. And there's your brother. Hi. What are you doing? Who's so happy to see me? Yes. Mark's getting his rubs, because that's what we do. Yeah. You guys open the cabinet door? Yep. Oh, what do we got? We got to step on it to pull this, make the sticks stay in. Oh, talking? What are you doing? Hi, handsome man. What's with the Yoda ears? Huh? Why do you have Yoda ears? Hi. Oh, good boy. Patches, you want to try? You really like that cardboard. Yeah. You guys want the birds? Mr. Mark, would you like the birds? Let's try the birds. I gotta get the remote. It's way over there. Hang on. Oh. Oh. There we go. I make groan noises now. I sound like my father. Yep. Okay, I don't remember how to do this, but we'll figure it out. There it is. YouTube. There it is. We're working on it. I know. Just give me a minute. Alright, I gotta find the... Here we go. Don't chew the stick, you kooky person. Oh, you kooky person. Okay, let's see if this one's any good. I know. We'll have to wait and see. I don't want to do a survey. Yeah, you know that whistle. You know that means there's going to be birds. There they are. There they are. It's the birds. What do you think? That was a lot faster. I did that good. I'm getting good at this now. I have skin coming off my nose, and I can see it out of my eye. I don't know why. Why is my nose peeling? Maybe I got too much sun at the races, but we use sunscreen, and I can feel it. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, that's a squirrel. If this is going to be a bunch of squirrels, it's going to suck. So we'll have to switch it if all they're going to do is show squirrels. Because squirrels, I mean, yeah, that's okay, I guess. But, I mean, you know, we need the birds. Oh, that's a big old honking squirrel right there. What do you think, Mr. Mark? Want me to find something with birds? Because right now all we've got is squirrels. I mean, you can hear them, but that's a squirrel. How's this dude's name is Burger King, and there's no birds. Oh, there's a bird. Okay, there we go. We got birds. What do you think, Patches? That makes you happy? Yeah? How you doing there, dude? Good job, boys.